Yes, please.
Maybe, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship. For the appellant, Lordship. Here the
Item 10.
10, Lordship, from the hearing list.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm led by Mr. Tayyong Chuba.
Tayyong.
Lordship, but since his wife is with an independent Gauhati, Lordship, in because he's not to grant at least 4 weeks' time, Lordship. I've taken the consent of the respondents also.
Mr. Fuseko. Learned Counsel submits that. Mr. Tayyong Chuba, the counsel for the appellant, is having certain difficulties and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 4 weeks.
Lordship.
The consent of the other side has been obtained. Listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged, ma'am.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Lordship.
Ah.
On item number 12, on behalf of the counsel for the appellant,
Ah.
Vikramjit Debnath. Lordship
Yes.
is indisposed today, Lordship. So this matter may come out after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Your good name?
Matter Vero on behalf of Vikram.
So and so, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. V. Debnath, the learned counsel for the appellant, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. And you have no objection. The other side has no objection. Listed accordingly.
Okay. Much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
Ah,
I
what
bring
is-
for my senior, Your Lordship, I beg that if this matter could be adjourned for 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Who is for the other side?
Your Lordship, no one is representing
No
for
one.
responding, Your Lordship.
No one is representing?
Yes, Your Lordship. As both the parties, they are trying to compromise the matters among themselves. Your Lordship.
Okay.
So if 3 weeks,
Mr. So and so, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Yangarwati. He is appearing as CGC,
yes, Your Lordship.
learned CGC, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Stop. There is no representation on behalf of the respondent listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Okay.
For motion item number 1 and 2.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, this is for impleadment of.
impleadment.
Yes, Lordship.
Let us see. You want to implead?
Respondent number 3,
You
Director
want to implead whom?
Smithy Lovilisema.
Yes.
Lovitolisema.
You want
Yes,
to implead
Director.
Srimati Lovitodi Sema,
Yes, Respondent. number three.
Director, Department of Higher Education, Nagaland,
Yes, Lordship.
as the respondent number 3.
Yes, Lordship.
Who are the respondents? In the original contempt petition, who are the respondents?
Doctor.
Okay, only 2 respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. N. Chishi, the learned counsel for the
Petitioner, Lordship.
applicant. The present application has been filed for impleadment of Srimati V. Lovitoli Sema, Director, Department of Higher Education, Nagaland, Kohima, as the respondent number 3 in contempt petition 21/2023.
Yes, Lordship.
Prayer for impleadment is allowed. I stands disposed. Then in the main listing contempt, in view of the order passed in the IA number 159/2024, Srimati Lovitoli Sema, Director, Department of Higher Education, Nagaland, Kohima, is impleaded as the respondent number 3 in the present contempt petition. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the newly impleaded respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days, Lordship.
3 days from today. Listed after? Any date fix? Listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 3.
May I please, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Puseko.
Lordship, here I'm led by my senior Mr. P.B. Paul.
Ah,
And Lordship, my senior is out of station for some medical treatment.
okay.
So Lordship, may kindly be
PB Paul.
P.B. Paul, Lordship. So at least 3 weeks' time, Lordship.
First appeal. What's the matter? Why is state government as a party?
Lordship, here the petitioners are plaintiffs in a civil suit
Okay.
in the district of Mauchong, where this the police station is stationed at the Alishan. So the petitioners are seeking for compensation from the government.
Okay.
So the police department as well as the government is a party, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
Mr. Puseko, Lieutenant Counsel submits that Mr. PB Paul, the leading counsel for the appellant, is indisposed,
Out of station, Lordship.
is out of station
Lord.
and under treatment,
Lordship.
and therefore 6 for
3 weeks' time, Lordship.
3 weeks' time. None,
No, I've taken the consent, Lordship. I've
Okay.
taken the consent of the government as well
the
as the
consent of the other
respondent.
side has been obtained. Listed after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged, my lord.
For admission, item number 4.
May I please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here, I'm making mention on behalf of the leading counsel for the petitioner, Lordship, P. Surin, Painter Surin, Lordship. Lordship,
Mr.
he's out of station.
Joshua,
My lord,
what is this IA?
your lordship, I have filed an IA for vacation of the, or modification of the interim order
Ah,
granted in favor of the petitioners, the civil revisionists. But my lord, since my learned friend, Mr.
Ah.
P. Suryan is out of station
P. Suren is the counsel
He
for
is
the
the counsel.
revisionist.
in the main revision petition, my lord.
Okay, okay. Okay. How much time?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay,
Your lordship has informed me that he's out of station.
okay. Mr.
Med-
Medo Vero,
Lordship.
learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. P. Suryan, the learned counsel for the revisionist, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Stop. Mr. Joshua Shakti, the learned counsel for the respondent, has no objection to the prayer
My
made by the learned counsel for the revisionist. Listed after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Lordship, there's an interim, Lordship.
So the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, your lordship.
Please.
For orders, item number 5.
May it please, my lord, lordship, in the last occasion, we have implemented the home commissioner. Uh, His appearance is awaited, lordship.
Okay. Mr. N. Chishi, you are for
I'm for respondent number 2, lordship.
respondent number 2. Madam, this home commissioner has been newly implemented.
Yes, lordship.
Good, it is still awaited. Is it? Notice.
Last
issued
time
for
also,
Contempt number 3. Home commissioner is contempt 3.
yes, lordship. We have sent through registry, so
You're for Mr.
Respondent number 2, lordship,
Two.
Propin Sharma.
What to do, sir? As per the last order, still awaited.
yes, lordship, and today also, he has, the respondent number 3 has not appeared. So what
The
do-
government advocate. No government advocate.
Sir Maim Chin, lordship.
last time, Mr. Ma,
Is representing respondent number 1.
Ah, 1.
Yes, lordship.
But this 3 is newly implemented.
Yes, lordship.
2 is DGP. 1 is,
1 is John Longkumar, lordship.
Oh, the former DG.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So what to do, madam? Another fresh steps?
Lordship, that also
Okay,
maybe done.
because if his presence is a must, then I think I want some government advocate. This. Take fresh steps once again,
Lordship,
okay?
Lordship.
Heard MS Z Jimomi, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Nchishi, learned counsel for the respondent number.
2, Lordship.
Lordship, learned additional,
Yes,
Advocate
Mr. MT. In this contempt petition, notice has been issued to the commissioner, home commissioner, still awaited. Can you take steps?
Worship, I'll text it.
Okay, we'll show your presence. Okay, and we'll also say that,
Copy,
yes, we will, and we will give you 4 weeks time to seek instructions.
worship.
Okay, okay, madam?
Lordship.
Yes. What was that, man? Okay, we'll counsel for the respondent number 2. Stop. On the request made by this court, Mr. M.T. Imsong, the learned additional advocate general, Nagaland, appears for the newly impleaded respondent number 3. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish the copy of the contempt petition to the learned additional AG, Nagaland, in the course or within
By tomorrow we will.
a
serve.
period of 2 days
Lordship.
from today. Stop. Listed after 4 weeks for enabling the learned additional AG to receive necessary instructions. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
Thank you.
For orders, item number 6 and 7.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, here, I've received the affidavit of opposition filed by the government. Only
Mr.
this morning,
MD,
Lordship.
Yes.
what is the stand of the government in this review? A
Review,
specific stand.
no, review is a purely a procedure, so I file a affidavit.
So what is the content
Now,
in the
review,
affidavit?
Lordship, order for this one, role 1 is, scope is very limited.
Ah,
And here, in this particular order issued by this another court, is expressed a view.
ah.
So view cannot be treated as an error or mistake
No.
apparent,
Ah, yeah.
on the face of the
No,
report.
that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, that is my affidavit I filed.
Okay, okay.
View.
So, I should say that you are not in favor of the review.
No,
You are not in favor of the review.
No.
As per your affidavit.
no, because we have to go by the scope as envisaged under order for the role 1, CPC. So
But,
that,
what is the difficulty in pleading all this, the other tribes, because you want to eat some reservation
Lordship,
which is
it's-
given to these tribes.
In fact, Lordship, but it starts from the impugned order dated 23 March 2022, where the state government has clearly stated that out of the 25% quota, equal share should be given to the Yimkyung and Tikir as well.
Ah.
So we are only asking for the
No, that's
government to
true.
implement that only, Lordship.
Because actually why this code wanted the other tribes to be implemented was that because if the notification of the government is enforced,
Yes, Lordship.
then it will have to cut some of the reservation from the other tribes.
In fact, that will
It
be
will have
what
to
will happen,
cut.
Lordship. Yes.
So they will be adversely affected.
So now,
So that is why this court was of the view that actually it will
Lordship.
be good if
Completely
those
understood.
persons can be brought. Anyhow, it's
No.
all right. Anyhow.
otherwise, your lordship, the petitioner, they have other remedies under the provision of law by way of alteration, modification, and by they can invoke, easily they can invoke the
civil
Yes.
miscellaneous jurisdiction, but not under order for this.
Yes, you are right, because actually the scope of review is very limited.
Yes.
Yes,
Lordship,
what is
I
your-
may be given some time. I just received the affidavit on
Okay.
position this morning only,
Okay.
so maybe the matter can be listed after Puja break, Lordship.
Okay, after puja break, okay.
Your lordship, in item number 7,
Yes,
I am just recently received an instruction,
okay.
so I need some more time to file a affidavit in the.
In the review petition, Mr. MT, you have filed your affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So in the review petition, okay? Mr.
Ali Bozukam, Lordship.
Yes, I am just getting a little bit. Mr. Aliba Uzakam, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Imti Imsum, the learned additional AG, Nagaland. Stop. Mr. Aliba Uzakam, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has received the copy of the affidavit filed by the state respondents only
This morning. Lordship.
only this morning. And he would therefore like to go through the same to address the court on the issue. And therefore 6/4, 2 weeks time. Okay,
Lordship.
after puja. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks. In this WPC 254/2023, okay? Mr. Imtim Sum, the learned additional AG Nagaland, submits that he has received the instructions from the government/department, and he would like to file an affidavit on the instructions received, and therefore 6/4, 2 weeks time. Okay? Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay? They'll be listed together. This 6 and 7, right?
Obliged, Lordship.
Okay.
For orders, item number 8.
Yes, Mr. Wati.
And for respondent number 2.
Lordship, it can be taken up after the.
No,
listed
it's
items.
all right. It's all right. Why?
Some of my friends were requesting.
No.
But,
Maybe we will not have to waste much time on this.
Yes.
Let us see. What was the order alleged to have been violated? Let's see.
Lordship, the,
Which is that order alleged to have
Page
been
14,
violated?
Lordship.
Page 14.
yes, Annexure A.
11 bar portion is page 25.
Page,
25.
Paragraph 17, Lordship.
paragraph.
17, Lordship. The petitioner was excommunicated by his village, Lordship, for political reasons, because he decided to contest the general elections against the resolution.
That's a corollary. The petitioner can remain in the village and he cannot be subjected to social boycott, expulsion from Chungtia village as directed by the respondent number 4, Chungtia Village Council, that is Chungtia Modern Changar.
Yes, Lordship.
Ah.
Putumentan.
So what is the position today?
Now, today, Lordship, the house, Lordship, we have a tradition of collecting kiln saru from each and every household annually, Lordship, every year, Lordship. And Lordship, only if that is given, he will be considered as a citizen of that particular village. Now it has been 2 years already, Lordship. He is nothing.
This is already dated.
And for collection of that amount, Lordship, specific persons are appointed, which are called Tanupor or finance members like that, Lordship.
So this order was passed only on 21/3/2024.
Yes, Lord.
So thereafter, what happens?
Thereafter, Lordship, in the meetings that have been conducted, Lordship, in none of the meetings he is invited or informed about the meeting because, Lordship, my Lord is well aware, of the practice in the Naga society. Each and every union, each and every village, they have their own finance members and Tanupors, Lordship, who give such information, Lordship. And he is also informed by a letter which I have annexed at Annexure 3, Lordship, the letter dated 17 April 2024. He has informed the Kohima unit, Lordship, of the
Yeah.
Tongtia village, of the courts, about the court's order, Lordship.
Which is that order violated? There are two orders, I believe. There are two orders.
Not next lordship.
Is it? There are two orders. One is, just wait, one is,
16-2.
uh,
I have annexed only this thing,
one is,
The
just,
order passed by the honorable court.
that's why, whether there are two orders, this is what, or whether this,
One
This
is
is-
the interim order, lordship.
whether. Oh, in the interim.
Yes, Lordship.
So the final is this,
Yes, Lordship.
okay. So the final is this,
Yes.
order dated 21/3/2024.
Yes, Lordship.
Ah.
During when the interim was in operation, Lordship, even then, he was not considered as a bona fide member of the village, Lordship.
Ah.
But despite that, Lordship, he waited patiently, and then, Lordship, he was under the impression that after the final order is passed, things will improve, Lordship, that things will change. However, even today, Lordship, he is being treated as an outsider, as a foreigner, as an alien, Lordship.
How do this court know that? How did this court know that?
Yes, Lordship.
How did this court know that?
Yes, Lordship. Now, Lordship, it's a negative fact. It is very, for me, for the petitioner, it is difficult to bring a negative fact, evidence of a negative fact before this honorable court, Lordship. That I agree, Lordship. However, Lordship, from the fact that,
Okay, if you have been debarred from if you have been debarred from any social activities of the
Yes,
village,
Lordship.
you can file an affidavit, we'll consider on that. You can file an affidavit and let him actually reply.
Lordship,
Because
In fact, I have
in order to see that this code is completely, the order
fact, I
passed
have-
by this code.
yes, I have stated, Lordship, in paragraph 4,
of,
3, and paragraph 6 of my petition, Lordship, in the present petition, and the respondent number 2 has already filed his counter affidavit, Lordship.
what is the affidavit filed by the?
He is stating that no such instruction has been given by the village council, Lordship, by the chairman of the village, by the respondent number 2, not to collect annual tax, Kill and Saru, Lordship, from me, Lordship. But for 2 years, Lordship, I have not been collected the membership fee, and Lordship, on inquiry, on appointed query, Lordship, to those people, they have verbally told me that these are nothing writings, Lordship. They have verbally told me that, see, we have instruction from the main village council not to collect these tax, these collections from you.
Whether the village or for that matter, the unit issues any receipt,
Yes, Lordship.
any receipt.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr.
They do.
Wati, next date you produce the receipt
No,
to
lordship.
show that you have complied with this order, because now actually it is difficult for this court.
Lordship, am I able to, what is?
Kill and Saru receipt.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm the village council chairman, lordship.
Hmm.
His allegation is that he was not invited in the meeting conducted in
That is
Kohima unit.
one allegation, Lordship.
Kohima unit.
Yes, in
Not
paragraph
in the
3.
village.
No, in paragraph 3, Lordship. That I have stated, Lordship. What I am stating now regarding the
So
Killing Saru is in
if you are-
paragraph 6.
Just one by one.
My
If
lord.
he is agreed by not inviting in the meeting conducted held at Kohima unit. The president of the Kohima unit should be employed as a condemner here, not the village council.
No,
lordship.
Mr. Wati, let us not stretch that far,
Yeah.
because the unit acts or unit does activities under
Yes,
the
Lordship.
direct.
Yes,
Lordship,
Lordship.
with due respect and respect in regard to the judgment of this honorable lordship, the only allegation made by the petitioner herein is that I have given verbal instruction not to invite him in the meeting at Kohima unit. No, I have never given such an instruction.
Then
to
why should the Kohima unit stop him from attending the meeting? Why should the
But-
Kohima unit?
Lordship, but I have no role, lordship, so far as the Kohima union is.
No, Lordship.
I'm the village-
Please don't try to scuttle the order passed by this court
No, Lord.
by making that submission.
And there is no record to show that I've given instruction.
There will be no record in such instances. If you make a whisper, that's enough. But that whisper violates the order passed by this court.
Lordship, mechanically, the petitioner served a legal notice.
So what is the best option to show that you have abided by the order passed by this court? What is the best option for you? How do you assess the court?
Lordship.
How do you assess the court to show that you have actually complied with the order passed by this? Because this is something, see, this is something like, unless there is some very positive approach from your side,
Yes, Lordship.
it will be very difficult for this court to know whether you have complied or you have not complied. Because as I've said, even one whisper can be contemptuous.
Lordship.
But actually, this court is not the right forum to see whether you have actually met that whisper or not.
Lordship, the village council in such a case, village council chairman can issue a letter to the units.
Please, and then file an affidavit. File an affidavit.
But as of now, I have not issued any letter.
No,
No,
issue. You actually like instruct the village council to like
Kohima unit, Lordship, not village council. To issue a letter to the Kohima unit.
no, that letter has to be issued by the main village
Yes,
council.
Lordship.
So you instruct the village council to at least issue a letter and you produce that letter before this court, so that this court will be
Fine.
satisfied that you have complied with the order passed by this
Fine,
court.
fine.
Please,
That can be done.
okay, I think that will be a way of trying to help the court
Lordship.
to resolve this issue. And this court feels that I think we should not keep this matter pending.
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
Lordship.
we will record that.
Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Sinti the Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Wati Jamir, the Lieutenant Counsel for the contender respondents. In the course of the hearing of the contempt petition today, Mr. Wati Jamir submits that he will instruct which village council?
Chongtia
Chongtia
village,
village
Chongtia village.
He
council.
will instruct the Chongtia village council to write a letter to
The Chongtia,
The president, what?
Kohima Chongtia village citizens, Kohima Chongtia Sinsu Tulongchim, that if it is
write
translated,
a letter to
Kohima
Kohima
Chongtia Sinsu Tulongchim.
Chongtia Sengsu Telungjum
Yes, if it is translated, it may come out as Kohima Chongtia Village Citizens Union.
to allow the petitioner to participate in what?
In the
They
activities,
participate in the village meetings
yes,
and the social programs
yes, my lord,
of the village,
yes.
okay,
Yes,
Of the
my-
unit, Lordship.
of the unit,
Kohima
Yes,
unit.
Lordship.
but don't exclude him from the village, of the
Lordship.
unit,
And lordship to collect the Kilinsaro, the annual,
and also to collect the
Membership fee, Lordship.
yes, membership fee
membership fee,
from the
From-
petitioner, annual membership fee from the.
then also to collect the annual membership fee from the petitioner to show compliance of the order dated 21/3/2024 passed by this court in WPC 128/2023. On the next date, the Mr. Wati Jamir, the learned counsel for the contender respondents, shall place the copy of the letter written by the Chungtia Village Council to the
President,
president,
Kohima Chongtia Sinsu Tulongchim,
Kohima Sungsu Telungjum.
Kohima Chongtia Sinsu Tulongchim, I'll keep in
Kohima
writing
Chungtia Sungsu
after some time.
Telungjum,
lordship.
allowing the said unit, Kohima unit, to allow the petitioner to participate in the village programs, in the village social meetings and programs,
At Kohima.
and also
Lordship, it should be a villagers lordship, not village programs, because it is at Kohima, unit is at Kohima.
okay, villagers program, the village.
Yes,
In the village as well as in Kohima, Lordship.
that is not an allegation in this kind of petition.
But still, Lordship,
What was that last line?
that must be taken care of.
The President allowing the state Kohima unit to allow the petitioner to participate in the villages social meetings and programs.
And also to collect the membership fee from
And,
the
yes.
petitioner,
Annual membership fee.
annual membership fee from the petition. What you are raising, that we will actually like record that in the final order.
My lord, my lord.
The letter, the letter written by the Chungtia Village Council to the Kohima unit shall be in the form of an affidavit. Please, okay. You will be assisting the court only. We are not going to pass any adverse orders, but at least to show that there is compliance of the court's order, please.
After 4 weeks.
Listed after.
Lordship, immediately if, since next week, the entire week is, the court will be on holiday, if it can be listed on 15th, Lordship, of this month, Lordship. Because Lordship, see, there is a difficulty, Lordship. The respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2 is from village council chairman, lordship.
No,
It will
lordship.
take some time. Yes.
No, Lordship,
After 4 weeks, lordship.
he is about to demit office, Lordship, this month.
Who is to demit?
Respondent number 2. The new, the Putu will be changing this month, this October.
So
Lordship.
the new Putu will have to give that instruction. That's all right. Listed on. Okay, we listed on 24/10,
Lordship.
2020.
Okay.
Okay.
A copy of the order maybe.
Yes, stop. The copy of this order shall be furnished to Mr. Wati Jamia, the learned counsel, for the respondent/container. Okay.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Approved.
For orders, item number 9.
Please, your
What is
lordship.
this? Airport Authority of India.
Yes, Lordship, I will be entering appearance on behalf of the MS Sana Enterprises.
Airport Authority of India.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is it not, I hope it's not Dimapur?
Yes, your
No, it's
lordship.
The Dimapur case. Is it a land dispute case?
No, your lordship.
It's a-
My firm has been debarred. So my lord, here, as far as the civil revision is concerned, my lord, the argument will only be on low points. I will be assisting the honorable court on the next date when it is fixed. It may
Okay.
kindly be listed after 2 weeks so that without affidavit, I'll assist this honorable court.
Mr. Joshua, you have been entrusted to appear for the sole respondent.
Yes, your lordship, along with my brother colleague, Mr. Fasoko and my juniors, will be appearing for the sole respondent. My
Okay,
lord.
that you file wakalat namam,
My lord, my lord.
Mr. Joshua Shaki. Learned counsel for the, Joshua Shaki submits that he has been entrusted to represent the sole respondent, correct?
Yes, my lord, my lord.
And he will be filing the power within
Your lordship, within 1 week,
a period of 1 week's time from today. Listed after
2 weeks, man.
2 weeks.
Lordship, like in the meantime, as the interim order is passed, let
Okay.
it continue.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Lordship, like as my name is reflected in CIS only today, I filed through Ken Nagi.
You are
No, I'm VM
KV
Kera.
Nagi.
No, Lordship. Like my name is Fikulini Hukera, VN Kera in short.
VN.
VN, but like I filed in name of KN Nagi.
KN Nagi.
Yeah, but my.
So your name is not reflected.
Yes, Your Honor.
The
in
name of
cost list.
Mr. KN Nagi as the learned counsel for the petitioner shall be reflected in the daily cost list. Okay.
VN Kera, my lord.
Huh?
VN Kera.
V,
N Kera.
VN Kera.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Obliged, your lordship.
No,
Yes.
but-
Over.
May practical because what sunset will